Yo guys, and welcome back in this new video here on the channel. On this video we will be discussing the potential ascending triangle, what Bitcoin is right now unfolding, and this can be of course signifying the next big move that Bitcoin is going to make here. As well, we're going to talk here about the symmetrical triangle, where we are still seeing of course a minor correction, but is this a fake out? The volume is low here. That's the thing that we definitely want to be discussing. As well, we will be discussing the 1 hourly time frame and a potential falling wedge here with lower lows getting created and lower highs and coming very close towards an apex. And as well, guys, I will be talking very quickly about the new crypto Rovercoin that we just released here. And yeah, if this sounds very interesting for you guys, make sure to already smash up these likes here, and let's go right away into the video, guys. So without further ado, yeah, let's talk about Bitcoin, guys. So, potentially Bitcoin, guys. I was taking a different view at Bitcoin because first I was always looking, of course, at the symmetrical triangle here, but I do think it's important to take also a different view and a different opinion on the market. And right now, of course, you can clearly see that we are forming a major level of horizontal resistance. This level of horizontal resistance has been holding back the price for Bitcoin already since the 4th of June. And right now we're also looking to start a higher low structure with this upper sloping support line getting created potentially here. So yeah, while we are creating this upper sloping support line, we are going to close, of course, this candle over here in 34 minutes. We are of course confirming the uptrend, and then we can be potentially look for this interesting ascending triangle here on the 4 hourly time frame. So yeah, as well, guys, we can be potentially see a breakout either towards the upside or towards the downside. It's a very neutral pattern. Usually ascending triangles are bullish bias patterns. So yeah, it can be for sure pushing up the price here in for Bitcoin. It can be potentially give this price target to 16% towards the upside, push the price up towards the approximately 44k here. And of course, if we're going to see a breakdown, depending where we're going to break down, of course, we are going to as well see an approximate 16% correction here. So I mean, personally, yeah, I do think it's a very, very significant pattern that we are right now looking at, and we can be potentially look for a lot of volatility in this specific one here. So, guys, one of these reasons why I do think as well Bitcoin is probably going to increase in valuation here is because of the MACD here. So I've been taking a look at the MACD, and you can see clearly over here, we have been starting this higher high structure over here. We've been forming a higher high, and as well what we have been seeing over here is a higher low getting formed. So what is this signifying us right now? This is signifying us that the sellers are getting exhausted and that the buyers are willing to step in towards the market. So this is quite a good and quite a bullish thing to see here for the price action of Bitcoin. Momentum is shifting once again back towards the upside. And this can be really potentially the driver of the market. And I really look forward to see what we're going to do with this MACD. Because yeah, it is looking like the bars, of course, are getting more strength in the market here. So as well, what is very important right now is, of course, still look at the symmetrical triangle, guys. Yeah, the price target is still sitting around the 26k here. But we have, of course, this amazing level of support below us around the 30k here. Personally, of course, guys, today is the last day of the G7 here. Today they will be, of course, giving a conclusion about whatsoever. I do think this drop was caused because of the G7 FUD here, because they're potentially going to talk about Bitcoin. So we have to wait today to see what's going to happen. There can be a lot of volatility in the market, and that's, of course, the thing that I want to be clarifying for you guys. So as well, if we're going to create a move towards the upside, yeah, we still have this major level of resistance ahead of us. Let's see if we can be breaking through this downward sloping resistance target over here. I mean, yeah, we're showing a lot of insignificance in the symmetrical triangle, low volume, not really confirming breakdowns. So that's the reason why I'm not really taking this chart all too seriously anymore right now. And as well, a very important pattern that we can be potentially looking at here is this falling wedge that's currently getting created on the 1 hour, guys. As you know, I like to look at the bigger time frames and the smaller time frames, and this one is right now unfolding on the 1 hourly candle. So yeah, if Bitcoin is really going to break through this resistance target, and of course, if we're going to do so, we can be potentially, of course, see this rise towards this level around the 37.6k here. So as well, what we are seeing, besides that, we are of course knocking on this resistance door several times, guys, and as well as providing several times support. We're seeing, of course, that the MACD has been setting a higher high with as well a higher low, and potentially is forming a bullish crossover right now on the 1 hour. This all together comes together. I mean, with this all coming together here, I do think that we potentially are going to see another move towards the upside getting created here. And as well with the RSI, of course, forming a higher low in the chart here and a lower low in the price chart, giving us as well bullish divergence. I personally think, yes, the 1 hourly time frame is shifting once again back towards the upside, and we can really see these potential gains towards the upside. So this is as well looking extremely strong for the Bitcoin 1 hourly chart, guys. So I mean, currently, yeah, I do anticipate higher prices getting reached here with, of course, Bitcoin trading on the support level over here, and as well with the 1 hourly candles looking for a clear move towards the upside. So yeah, personally feel very excited about it. Of course, like I told you in the beginning, G7 can be changing maybe everything here. They have to be only talking one thing negative about crypto, and I do think it will be having a lot of influence on the market. So yeah, that's very important to know, guys. So then I will be also talking real quickly about the crypto Rovercoin, guys. I will be not talking a lot about it because we are still working very hard on this project, and this will be a project that I will be working on with some developers, and there will be more and more developers coming towards this project as well here. I will be as well putting a link here in the description to the contract code, guys, contract address. But yeah, what it is basically what we're going to do here, we're having our own coin here built on the Binance Smart Chain, and we're going to create a donation system with this coin here, so you can be donating to the channel and maybe potentially as well to other YouTubers. So yeah, we're really going to make a very good project, and as well we set up this roadmap here, guys, what we're all going to do. And you can believe me, I'm currently owning quite a lot of the supply here. And as you can see, I'm currently owning 50% of the supply here, guys. But as you can see over here, tokens already 964 of these tokens got burned here. And I will be putting my tokens that I got from, of course, because I started the project. I will be burning these tokens. And of course, you can go to the Binance Smart Chain token tracker. And you can see, of course, here's a burn address. And I will be, of course, adding more to this address. And I will be showing you guys this because, yeah, I really want to be building a good project here. I want to be doing it all together. It will be no rug pull here. I will be really working hard for this community coin here because, guys, of course, I want to be doing this for you guys. And as well, it is funny, I mean, purely you don't want to be buying this coin if you want to be making gains here. No, as well, what you can see on the white paper, guys, there is also a very interesting thing here because we are really incentivizing holders to actually hold here. We have an 18% transaction fee here, and 10% goes to the holders, 5% get burns, and 3% of that amount of the 18% transaction fee goes to the liquidity pool here. So you're really going to help as well. We're really going to promote holders as well here. We're really going to try and really make a lot of development. We already have some team aside here as well with the white paper fully will be getting released anytime soon, guys. You can be expecting more from this coin. So yeah, personally, I'm really looking forward towards it. Later in today's stream here, I will be probably talking a little bit more about it, about what we are exactly going to do here, and of course, what kind of things we're going to launch as well here. Because if you will be a holder of this coin, you will be rewarded with special content and special videos and special etc, etc, etc. So we're really going to work a lot on this coin here. So yeah, hopefully you're going to take a look into it as well here. We'll be dropping, of course, the link to the Binance Smart Chain tracker, and as well, and as well the Dex Guru chart here. So yeah, if you're interested in it, you can definitely check it out here. Community back coin here, and do think it's going to be a very exciting journey, guys. So this was already it for the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will check you guys in the next one later today in the live stream. Goodbye.